Did you know you could transfer your YouTube channel to another email? And yes, if you are wondering for how to transfer YouTube channel to another Google account or another email, then this is the video and let's go. And for the people who have noticed my beautiful wallpaper, it is downloaded from Pinterest. And if you don't know how to download your images from Pinterest, click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen and thank you. Now go into any cool web browser, maybe like Chrome, and in the search bar you type there studio.youtube.com. And make sure you have logged yourself into the YouTube channel that you are looking forward to change the email address of. And you click on the three dots if you have not already enabled the desktop site, and have a tick right here, okay, if you have not done that already. But since I've already done it, it shows me the same thing. So it is the desktop theme in your mobile screen. Okay, the present email address can be checked by simply having a click on your profile photo or picture, and in the switch account option you will have the username displayed right here. And now you want to change your email address so that you can transfer your YouTube channel to another email. Then this is the video. Let's go into your settings icon on the bottom and you click on this option of permissions, and it says watchercid@gmail.com is the owner right now, and now you want to change your email on YouTube channel. So what you do is you click on this invite option right here and you type the email address, the new email address which you are looking forward to transfer your ownership or your managership or editor or something like that, and you enter your email right here. So maybe like, and when you are done typing your new email address which you want to transfer to, then you click on this access option right here, and now you have the power to choose the position of the person who you are giving the access to your YouTube channel as a manager, editor, editor limited, subtitle editor, viewer, or viewer limited. And maybe I just want that person of that email address to be a manager. Then you click on this manager thing and you click on done option right here. So yes, now it displays the message of pending invitation, and that person will receive the email address on his her email, and he may accept the invitation and get the access of manager. Similarly, you may have the option of owner if you have number of YouTube accounts opened by a particular email address. So this is how you transfer your YouTube channel to another email. If you like this video, then make sure to hit like, and bye bye for right now.